Laurastar creates a product that lasts, but there's some simple maintenance involved. Earlier I told you we use regular tap water in our systems. I've got a large capacity, removable water tank that I can take right to the sink. If the water source is a well, or if a water softener is used, then we recommend bottled spring water. We still need the minerals in the water. Our S Pure Xtra system uses granules to filter out the water. Fresh granules are a charcoal blue color. As the granules get exhausted, they turn to a golden brown amber color. You'll know it's time to change when there's no charcoal color left. I can empty the granules in the trash and rinse the tank. With a clean tank, now I'm ready to pour new granules in. You can expect to change these every 3 to 6 months depending on use. In addition to using the correct water and changing the filter, the most important thing we can do is flush the water to descale our system. We recommend doing this once a month to prevent any mineral buildup. I'll place my drain tray under the boiler and remove the cap to drain the water. I'll also remove my water tank and place it to the side. I'll remove this cap as well. I'm going to remove this part of the lid, and now this becomes our funnel to drain fresh water through. Fill the tank without the insert with fresh water and put it right on top of the funnel. That's going to drain fresh water through and clean out your system. Once the water empties into the tray, your maintenance is complete and you can replace the caps and the water tank.